Welcome home! Healthy, organic, and easy by Michelle. Today we are making healthy Korean dumplings. I'm going to use 1 bunch of organic vermicelli noodles. Soak vermicelli noodles in hot water for 30 minutes. Use 3 small organic carrots. Carrot is usually really hard to chop, so I use a food chopper. I'm going to slice 2 white parts of the big green onion. Chop 1 organic onion. I'm going to use half bunch of chives. Slice into small pieces. You need 2 packs of organic tofu. Wash them well. I'm going to squeeze the tofu using a clean cloth to dry it out. Drain the tofu moisture as much as you can. You can buy it from Korean supermarket or you can use any clean cloth. I'm going to use 1 pound of non-GMO organic ground pork and 1 pound of grass-fed ground beef. Add tofu. Add carrots and onions. Add big green onions. Cut vermicelli noodles into small pieces and add it. Add 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. Add 2 teaspoons of organic ginger powder. Add 2 tablespoons of salt. This is the garlic from the freezer. I have another video that shows how you can store garlic longer. If you want to learn, please check it out. Add 4 tablespoons of garlic and 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. Add a little bit of organic black pepper. Mix well. Add the chives into bowl and mix again. I don't have time to make wrappers, so I bought rice dumpling skin. You can buy from Korean supermarket. Let's make the dumplings. You need a small bowl with a little bit of water. Wet the edge of the dumpling skin. Make sure don't put in too much. Fold to half-moon shape and pinch along the edges. Press middle of the dumpling and fold it and pinch. I love steamed dumplings more than fried ones, so I don't usually make this shape, but let me show you an easy way to make fried dumplings. Fold to half-moon shape as well and squeeze down, pinch. Use a fork to press down around the corner. Isn't it too easy? Yes! Let's make dumpling with the kids. I'm gonna steam them now. You can use a bamboo steamer or buy a cooling rack and use with any pot. I put a steamer liner on top of the rack so the dumplings don't stick. Steam for 15 minutes. Add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Add 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. And little bit of Korean red pepper powder, scallions, and crushed sesame seeds for additional flavor. Ta-da! Time to eat! Wow, looks good! Let's set up the table. Oh my god, it's so hot! Oops! Let me taste first. Did you turn your favorite music on? Let's make dumplings with the whole family together. Show me the way to go home. Show me the way to get to Soulville, because that's where I belong. Lord, show me the way to get to Soulville. Come on and show me way across the track. Where brothers and sisters and children too, they are sitting there racking them back. Gonna meet some soul folks who know all the tricks. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Gonna eat some soul food. Let's see who made the dumplings prettier. Who made this? Funny shape. Oh, this is best. Some of them looks really good. You can make any shape you want. Steam them at the same time. Today's welcome home tip. These dumplings are from the freezer. You can store the leftover steamed dumplings in the freezer, so you can enjoy 10-minute fresh dumplings for a few months. After steaming them, place dumplings on baking paper so they don't stick, and let them cool down before packing. You can use a vacuum sealer or Ziploc bag and put them in the freezer. Enjoy fresh dumplings for a few months.